welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find TikTok password. So once you have headed into your profile of your TikTok account, click on the hamburger menu on the upper right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy. Once you are there, go to Account. And here you can see an option password. Go for it. And the email you are using for your TikTok account, there has been a code sent to that. So you just have to enter that code. And once your code is entered, you can change your password or you can see your password. So yeah, that was easy, right? I'm not currently changing my password because I'm good with it. So this is how you can do yours. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.